Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road, coming to you with another location series. We're gonna take a ride over to New England Motorcycle Museum. It's got it's a whole big warehouse with antique motorcycles, relics, and all kinds of makes and models from a long time ago. So we're gonna take a ride up there and we're gonna go check it out. Hey, what's up? We made it here. We got there on the bike. Everything was good. I had my brand new Dunlop American Elites. By no means this is supported by Dunlop. Yeah, we got here and we're about to walk in to Kaplan Cycles. You think that I can get some tires like that on my Harley Davidson, on my Ultra Limited? Look at that. Maybe I can ride like the Australian guy, $1 Million Bogan. He had tires like that on his Road King. And man, that guy's crazy. But yeah, look at that. Hey, I didn't even know they still had phone booths. Check that out. They got a phone booth there. Does it even work? I think we should check. No doubt, Tom. But it's cool, right? Look at that. I think Superman's gonna show up any second. So check out these dirt bikes here. So this is how I learned how to ride. I was riding since I was around 12 years old, dirt bikes. Not as big as these, but the smaller ones, you know, for 12-year-olds. And you know, I learned how to ride on the dirt road first before I got to learn how to ride on pavement road. And riding these on off-road is you learn how to handle your bike. You know, all these little unforeseen holes, dirt divots and stuff like that, and jumping off hills and stuff. And you know, that makes you a pretty good rider. So when you become a street rider, you're already prepared. You know how to ride in the street. It's much easier the street than it is when you're on one of these things. Because these things, man, you can lock up those brakes and you can go flying on that thing. So that's how I learned. So now we came up on the second floor right now, and oh wow, look how far this whole aisle goes. I mean, there's tons of stuff. So we're on the second floor. This is all the enduros and dirt bikes up here. And I think there was some, what do you call those? Adventure bikes over here. So I see more of the enduros, not too many of the street bikes, but mostly all dirt bikes here. I mean, you can see this. I mean, look at them, they're all lined up. And we have some jerseys up here. Look at all these jerseys, these are all riding jerseys. Oh, look at that, there's a whole section over here. I guess regular jackets and stuff like that, and I guess this one's a mixed one. But yeah, look at that, it's all the way down. I mean, there's a lot of motorcycles up here. So these are all, according to Kaplan, some of them are for sale. Some of them are eBay bikes and stuff like that, and I guess you can find them for sale. So let's go keep looking around here. Wow, look at this thing. This is a 6-cylinder engine. I think this is a Haas boss or something, or I don't recall the name, but I'm not even sure which model this is right here. But it's a 6-cylinder bike. Well, here's a model that I never heard of. It's called Rock'em Country. It's a USA bike from '75 on off-road. It's got a 340cc two-stroke. And no, I've never seen one like this one before. I guess it's kind of a country-looking kind of bike. Now look at those fat tires. I mean, you can go anywhere in some muddy areas with this thing. It's a very small engine, so it appears, but it's a 350. But 340. Okay, now speaking of a workhorse, look at that thing. It's got a saddle and everything on it. That's the true meaning of a workhorse right there. It's got, I guess, like car tire looking flat bottoms on it. Wow, I mean, this looks like a type of machine that you would use on a farm or something and pull like some kind of thing that splits the dirt up so you could plant. Wow. Well, this guy appears to have won quite a few championships. He's got his trophies right here. And it says the Power of Authority, FMF, South California. And those are his trophies. Wow, I remember this. This is like way back in the day kind of bike. Look at this, it's like all metal fender and tank. Wow. And who would think that they would have an electric bike? Look at that. It's got batteries, it's got a generator right there. You can see that. I'm not even sure if that's a regulator right there. It's a monoshock, but man, this thing is really thin. It's almost like bicycle thinness. It's got some fat bicycle tires on it. Let's see what it says here. Electric Moto 2011. Okay, now this one right here is ready to go. Look at this. This guy has his gas tank right here. He's got his chainsaw right here. I mean, his fat tires, so he can go anywhere and probably cut down some trees or something. And he's got a little pack right there. I'm not even sure. Oh, look at this. He's got a shovel right here, one of those army folding shovels. Fat rear tire. He's got a rack on top. He's got a rack on the back wheel here so it doesn't get rear-ended or whatever. But man, this guy is prepared. Trailblazer. So I don't know, that looks like a 3-gallon tank. Plus he's got probably another 3.5 here, or 4, I would say. 4-gallon tank. Here's a shifter gear right here. Yep, this guy's prepared. Ready to go.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the New England Motorcycle Museum. I sure did. So if you like this episode, why don't you just stop in and check it out? I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. Great for motorcycle enthusiasts and the likes. Rubber down, as always. And be nice to everybody.